Wes and I collaborated on the design and what we wanted to do with the character of this golf course from the very start. And first, we knew we had to fix it because it did not function properly. But second, we wanted it to have its own identity. We also knew that it's as a municipal golf course, it needed to stay simple and fun and playable for everybody. And as we kicked it around, I said, Wes, what do you like?
Right. Yeah. And I like old architecture. I like C.B. Macdonald, Seth Rayner, Tillinghast, stuff that's simple, easy to play, easy to design, and friendly for public play.
So we took that idea and ran with it and did some homework, went to Mountain Lake. I've been lucky enough to see several of these old courses, I'm going to call a Renaissance type. The coffin bunkers, the template greens, there's a number of those we'll leave for a surprise for a lot of you when you're out here, but thought that also that this unique old style would be unlike anything else around the area and would create its own image and identity and interest in the golf course.
Right. And I think the greens being more lowered and the tees being lowered, it's more public friendly. The bunkers being flat are just fun. I mean, they look good, they pop when you're looking at them. And player accessibility, maintenance wise, I think we've hit a home run here.